Do you feel that your energy just drains away? What if I told you by simply adjusting how you sit can stimulate the magnetic charge and make the necessary difference? Stick with me, I'll show you how. If we compare the human body to a physical energy system, there would be two components: a bioelectric complex with the flow of blood, nerves, and meridians, and a biomagnetic field, the effect of their aggregate movement. Although a very subtle and weak force compared to electric current, it is still essential to life, so best to avoid that energy leaking away. Let me show you something. When you sit like this, something amazing happens. You loop your magnetic energy field. Instead of losing it, you consolidate it in your metabolism. Now, let's take it a step further. My right hand has the positive magnetic charge, and the left, the negative. By joining your hands, interlacing the fingers, you connect positive to negative magnetic polarity, creating a complete circuit once the feet are crossed at the ankles. Much more than grounding, this posture fine-tunes our energy flow. It's the simplest, most efficient way to align your body's natural magnetic charge, so ensuring balance and focus. Nowhere in the ancient Indian texts do they mention a reason for sitting cross-legged with hands placed one on top of the other in the lap. But it's not just a posture. This position creates an energy field where the magnetic circuit of the body is completed, boosting, in turn, the electric current caused by the flow of blood, energy, and the meridians, which then benefit from the magnetic stimulus. This posture is all about enhancing your strength. Let's test this together. Sit comfortably, interlace your fingers. Now, cross your legs at the ankles. If you feel a sense of calm or increased focus, your circuit is working. And the best part, you can do this anywhere, at your desk, on the bus, or even lying down, especially when you wake in the middle of the night. This isn't just another flaky idea. Experience backs it up. Closing the circuit reduces loss of energy, improves focus, and even affects your nervous system. More charge means more vitality. The magnetic charge of most people measures around 20 microtesla, which is weak. By using this technique, we can significantly boost our energy. Here's something that's little known. At menopause, a woman's magnetic field reverses, causing extreme discomfort, as with the hot flashes. While this technique won't remove them completely, it definitely eases the effects. Curious to learn more? I'll be at the MindBody Soul Fest on February the 23rd. As a researcher in Ayurveda, Bioenergetics, traditional Chinese medicine, and Radiesthesia, I'd love to chat. Drop by or email me at taitoff@gmail.com. I'd be happy to answer any burning questions you have. Your energy is yours to harness. Close the circuit, recharge, and feel the shift.